When it touches this tiny tip, its life has already entered a countdown. With the second touch, it's done for. The Venus flytrap snaps shut instantly, locking it tightly inside the cage. This incredible speed, combined with cunning intelligence, forms a deadly trap, often leaving visitors with no way back. The more it struggles, the weaker it becomes. And the weaker it is, the tighter the trap holds. Give up, there's no hope of escape. About 10 days later, the deadly cage slowly opens. By then, the tiny fly has become a hollowed-out body, a dried carcass, drained of all juices. Plants are an indispensable part of nature. When you take a closer look, you'll see they are remarkably resilient, intelligent, even ruthless. But remember, never be fooled by its delicate appearance. It's a true carnivorous plant, with sticky liquid at the tips of its tentacles. It irresistibly attracts countless insects, especially those tiny, cute ones we all love. The Venus flytrap is nature's cunning trap. When a mosquito touches it, its life also enters a countdown. Struggling in vain only makes it sink deeper. More importantly, this signal is sent back to the plant, which then packages and seals the insect away. Covered completely, it quickly suffocates in the sticky liquid. It's surprisingly satisfying to watch. These plants feed on insects because their swampy homes lack nutrients. Digesting insects provides essential nitrogen, perfectly solving their survival problem. After hundreds of millions of years of evolution, plants have developed extraordinary adaptations, and their reproduction is ingenious. Their methods exceed imagination. A heavy rain brings flowers to bloom, and under sunlight, petals compete to open beautifully within days. But the beauty doesn't last long. Delicate petals soon cannot withstand the sun, and gradually wither to death. Fortunately, they leave seeds necessary for reproduction. Even if the parent dies, the seeds have their own way to spread. Even a gentle breeze can dislodge stems, rolling seeds down slopes. The seeds scatter everywhere. With the right temperature and humidity, they take root and sprout. Compared to this method, bean sprouts are even smarter. They spread their descendants farther and wider. Each seed is like an aerodynamic glider. Light wings let them bypass obstacles, moving smoothly through forests. Once the seed lands, the surrounding membrane decays. The seed starts to root and grow. The way plants survive shows amazing strategy. Their reproduction is clever and profound, full of breathtaking natural wisdom. Nature has perfected these strategies over millions of years. Every adaptation helps them thrive. From survival to reproduction, plants demonstrate remarkable intelligence. Their seeds are designed to travel far and wide, each moving like a tiny glider, navigating obstacles effortlessly, floating lightly across forests and hills. When they land, the protective casing decays, and the seed takes root. This is the art of plant survival. Every strategy is ingenious. Their reproduction is clever and profound, showcasing astonishing natural intelligence. Plants reveal the breathtaking wisdom of nature.